endemic in the midst of a pandemic.
That's deep, man.
That is deep. Did we promise you a view? Here it is, the Harrod Valley.
Samuel Longhorn Clements, otherwise known as Mark Twain, was in this very spot in the 1860s, and he wrote, "Of all the lands that have desolate scenery, Palestine must be the prince."
Let's go and run it. Let's go and experience it. Let's go.
Yalla!
Yalla. Here we are. Oh, wow. As you break out the forest, perfect toothbrush, perfect toothpaste. Check it out. The hills of Gilboa are blossoming, are opening up like a flower.
Absolutely beautiful and special place.